Welcome back to the F Word. Now, time to beat Dom Joly in the recipe challenge. And no, he's not on the phone, he's in my kitchen.
Yeah.
Wes, you're sweating already, my man.
Yeah, I know.
The rules are simple. You choose your favourite dish, OK? I have to try and match that and, of course, obviously beat it.
Okay.
The dish is from where?
Well, it's a kind of slight hybrid, but it's basically a Lebanese dish that my mum used to make.
What's it called?
Well, I made it up. It's called it's called chicken kafra, because that's the village I grew up in Lebanon. But it's a kind of lemon garlic chicken thing in the oven.
Right.
With a Lebanese green bean salad.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Yes? So Dom's doing a Lebanese-style chicken dish, and I'm doing something sort of slightly Moroccan. It's the most amazing breast of chicken, sautéed. We're going to do a really nice couscous, but finish with a ratatouille and apple, and then sauced with a really nice lemon olive oil. Dom, you OK?
Yeah, I'm doing my Keith Floyd. Up to me.
OK, first, we're going to steam the couscous. Salt, pepper, a little bit of vegetable stock, and then some olive oil. And then just gently, over a bain-marie, just steam the couscous. So what you got in there, garlic?
Yeah, sort of crushed garlic. I'm just going to fry off some onions and garlic with a bit of sumac in olive oil, then brown the chicken, and then put it all in the oven for about 40 minutes. And you get like a really lemony, garlicky chicken, if it works. If it doesn't, it tastes horrible.
Now, you're a natural with food.
Well, I grew up in Lebanon, so we had lots of Lebanese food, which is... I like Lebanese food because it's lots of different little dishes.
Yeah.
And it's kind of influenced from everywhere.
What was it like growing up in Beirut?
It was cool till I was about 6, and then the Civil War started.
Yeah.
And then it was things like going to school here in England and bringing out my shrapnel collection and realising that I was the only one with one. You know, it's that kind of thing.
Yeah. So what you got in there, garlic?
Yeah, sort of crushed garlic thing, and this is sumac, which I really like.
Oh, lovely.
Which is a kind of Lebanese... I'm not quite sure what it is, you can tell me, but it's very lemony. It
So
seems to
like
be...
a dry berry, you know, like a...
It is a dry berry, is
yeah,
it?
dry berry, absolutely.
And it's used a lot, sort of, instead of lemon. But I'm putting it in with some lemon to make it uber lemony. So if people don't like lemon, they're a bit buggered on this one.
Rumour has it you used to be a vegetarian, yes?
Yeah.
Do you not regret all those wasted years? Do
Yeah,
you not,
totally.
Do you not feel guilty? You don't look like a vegetarian, or
No, no.
Or a man that has been a vegetarian.
But I did. When I was younger, I was a very thin goth. So I was worse. I was a goth.
Dom, stop
I was a
fucking
goth
around.
vegetarian. I was.
And now, all I'm going to do is just colour the chicken breast. I love that glass of wine, you know, you haven't put that down since you've been in.
I know. I've nipped down the bottle. It's great.
Hilarious. And what are you doing with the beans?
I basically just fry them off with garlic and onion, lots of salt, and then put in kind of really thick tomato.
So inside my pan here, I've got my red onion, aubergine and courgette. Quickly side it off with a little bit of cumin. And the cumin flavour is going to really sort of enhance the vegetables, and then we're going to mix that through the couscous. Chopped tomato, sweeten it up, a little bit of coriander.
Can I put my thing in the oven?
You ready for the chicken to go in the oven?
Yeah.
Yeah, right, I'm ready.
OK.
Yeah, that's right.
Best of luck.
Both Dom and my chicken go in the oven now. Okay. Then it comes out. Quite simple, Dom loses. Now, time to find out the results of the recipe challenge. Oh, please.
Sorry. Hello! No, F word! Ramsay! I'm just about to thrash him! He's... That's my phone.
Right, ready to plate up?
Yeah, sort of.
Yes, are you ready? Right. Are you excited?
No, I'm terrified.
Are you nervous?
No, I'm not nervous, but I'm competitive, so I want to fucking win.
Yeah.
But you've got a bit of an advantage in that you're a top chef and I'm a squirrel.
So, did you actually taste yours?
Yes, I did.
Did you?
It was delicious.
I always like to see them together like that, look.
I'd eat that.
I'm not too sure.
You know I'd go for that. You see, that's too punty,
Yeah.
I think. Mine's just decent peasant food.
Yeah, it looks like a fucking camel's hoof. Right, John Baptiste. Off you go, my man.
Yep.
Yes?
Just let them know, yeah? Lemon chicken kafra with a soupçon of citron.
Yeah.
Soupçon. Ali, dépêche-toi
Soupçon
là.
of citron.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you? Okay, good. So, first dish and the second one. Bon appétit.
Thank you very much.
Very well. It's very well cooked.
I think the lemon's a little overpowering, but the couscous...
Couscous was good, but the chicken's cooked well. It's not dry, so that's all right. I like that.
It's very succulent. It's very well cooked.
Should we try the second one?
Okay.
Love green beans.
That's really nice. The chicken is, again, I think it's done really well.
It's not as flavoursome as the couscous dish.
Yeah.
I preferred the flavours in the green bean chicken. I think the chicken was a lot more succulent.
Give me the good news. Obviously, ex-vegetarian, squirrel lover.
Can I just say I've had a bottle of
Had
wine?
a bottle of wine as well. Yeah. What was the score?
3-2-2.
3-2-2.
Yeah, so quite close.
No, 3-2-2. He's French.
Oh, well, at least you got 2
Trois à
votes.
deux.
That's not
Trois à
bad
deux.
at all.
Okay.
Excellent.
And
Come on then, quick.
Who won me?
Is
Come on.
done.
No!
Well done.
Yes, dude!
Oh, fuck off, will you?
Fucking A!
Yeah.
Gordon, what can I say? You know what? put in a bit more work, be fine. I'm really quite chuffed about that.
Right, will you do me a favour?
Fuck off.
Fuck off out my kitchen.
All right, but it's been a pleasure.
Yeah, I wish I could say the same.